I'm kind of interested in this juice thing, because I don't always thought I'd like to scrap one just because I never have, but it's got a lock on it. But that shouldn't be too hard to drill out. I can't imagine they really secure stuff like that. Okay, so let us... Wait, I'm going to do back here. Because in case I can reuse this, then there'll be a stub there that I can... Okay, so I'll go in. Yeah. So, obviously that's all leaked out. So maybe the thing isn't any good. But that should be... it should be a lot more than that. Okay, well, let's start sucking. Okay, so it's going in anyhow, maybe. There's your horsefly. No, maybe not. I don't know why this thing is so hard to keep focused. So we got just about a 10-pound vacuum on it. Yes, I guess I won't be keeping this. There's obviously a leak somewhere. Could be anywhere, but for some reason they don't make these so that you can refill them. You can, like, usually you should be able to drain these, pump some nitrogen in it and test for leaks. And then, once you get the leaks all fixed, away you go. But you can't really do that anymore, especially on household stuff. Oh well, I guess that's our society. Yeah, we're just about 15 there now, so we'll shut this down and then I'll figure out what's inside here. Okay, so with this thing, this is all steel. Oh, wait. So this is all steel here, right to there. And then this one is steel. Oh, I see. This is just attached to it. So copper, steel. And then up here is all copper. So you get down to the stubs there. Oh, caught. All right. So let me get this back open. Okay, so we got this out. Kind of cool. We got well, underneath here are the bolts I gotta get. But yeah, I got nuts, bolts, and spacers and washers. So that's cool. I always like getting that stuff because I always need it, and if I don't have to go drive to town to the hardware store and get it, then that's better. So yeah, now I just have to snip this line, and then I'm gonna start hammering this out. You can see there's like nowhere that it screws together. I'm thinking maybe on the bottom. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, so these, there's two on, one on each corner and then an extra one. Yeah, I think I'll take those out, and then maybe the sides I'll just lift up, and then I can get into here from there, because like this thing, as much as I thought it was not well put together, it's sure hard to get apart. So I'm guessing that some engineer is smarter than I am. Just guessing. Okay, so I think that is exactly what it is. I gotta still pop this one out. But I do believe that this is going, I can feel the movement in it now. And then this was screwed in here, like right in here. I got this, I don't believe this is, yeah, that's just shredded. So that's still kind of a handy little vent plate. I will save. And this is an aluminum line coming to here. So I'll snip that. I imagine it's hollow, probably like some sort of sensor thing, I'm guessing. I don't know. I don't know how all this stuff works, but I'd like to. Okay, so I got everything out except for this thing, which it's a screw. I guess it's maybe been filled or something, but I can't get it out with the screwdriver, so I'm gonna have to try alternate means. See if I can get it out with pliers, and if not, then I guess I'll grind it off. Well, I got it out with pliers, and it doesn't seem to have helped get this thing off. I don't know. So we can get that out, which doesn't really matter. Not to me, anyhow. I don't know. I'm gonna have to hammer this thing all apart, I guess. Just frustrating. Like maybe I can just hammer that thing down. Yeah, I'll try that. Okay, so hammering didn't work, but I see that that is just glued to foam, same as this. So I just kind of stood on that and reefed up on this to get this stuff out. But I kind of guess that this is all glued together, so I'm going to have to reef it all apart. I'm going to go get a crowbar, though. Stupid thing. Well, at least E-Waste Mike will be happy. He's got another train wreck. Alright, I cheated. I just took the grinder and went down that corner. I'll pop that out there and we'll see. You guys will be happy to know that I gave my dues to the scrap gods. This is insane. Like, what? This is crazy. Smashing trying to get through here. I finally broke through here into something. Looks like just another wall or something in there. Like, this can't be worth it. Just the aggravation alone. Oh, this is crazy. Just crazy. I'll bet you there isn't even anything in here. There's got to be. I mean, these lines are going up there, but like that. That's nuts. How could you make something like that? It's not even a panel. No wonder they're just throwing these things out. How could you even get in there to fix something? Yeah. Like, honestly, this is crazy. I'm hitting this stuff. I don't know what's behind that foam. It must be like another steel wall or something. Yeah, so, you know, here's the whole outside of it. And then here's inside. So look at, you got nothing here. So there can't be anything through there. There's nothing at the back. There's like, so maybe if I can get that stainless steel plate out of there. But the only place there could be anything is right in here. I don't know, like this goes in here somewhere. I don't know if maybe these tabs have anything to do with it. Like, I don't know, man. I give up. Okay, yeah, there can't be a rad in here. So this is where the sensor, no, this is where the sensor went in. Unless I can get this side out. I know I said I gave up before, but I didn't. But, so, if there is a rad, it's got to be here. And it doesn't really matter if I punch a hole in it, so I'm going to start hitting it. Rip. What a rip. So, aluminum. I'm not even going into the other side to get the whatever's there. This is enough disappointment for me for the day. Anyhow, I gotta get this friggin' mess cleaned up. So I give myself a week or so to calm down after that. I can tell you right now, I will not be scrapping another juice machine past getting the compressor and the copper line out of the bottom. Unless they're something easier than this one. Because like that's crazy just to get some aluminum line. So shred, that's all I can say. And if you made it this far, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And throw in a comment, because apparently I'm supposed to ask people to put comments in, because the algorithm likes it. It's too bad that the algorithm doesn't like my content. Okay, bye everybody. We're going to Cameron Lake for the weekend, and we'll have no service. But I'm gonna take some scrap down to sit beside the lake and do some scrapping. All right, bye.